Allison with SCP Agency, and I'm here with my best mate, Kyla. And we're starting a new series, I guess we'll call it that, a new series, and it's called like This or That. And so I found some questions that I thought were intellectually intriguing. And so I wanted to have a discussion with Kyla and see where she fell on some of these items. And we'll probably just talk about two today. Let me ask you, this one is like my favorite one right now because we do this a lot. So what do you think? So if the question is establish or reinvent, what do you think?
Definitely reinvent. I am always looking at other websites, other material, Googling things just to get ideas. So it's always nice to see what I like first and then go from that.
Yeah, I think so too. I mean, there's really probably nothing new as far as like the services that we do that you can just like go, oh, we're going to create something from scratch. We're just going to dream this up. There are great people who've come up with great ideas in the past, and we enhance them or improve on them or figure out how we can add our twist to it with SCP Agency. But reinventing would make my brain explode.
Same.
Yeah.
I don't have time for that.
Yeah. I'm out. I'm out 100%.
Max capacity.
Yeah, and so this next one kind of goes back all the way to like even my younger days of working, whatever. So hustle or overtime?
Hustle.
Hustle for sure.
Yeah, I definitely like we do brain dumps every single day, and my brain dump's usually a mile long, and so I'd rather get all of that done so that when I go home, it is 100% uncompressing, so that I'm not still working. I'm like, oh, I didn't do this. I'm going to do this later. So I like to go home, get dinner done, pour a glass of wine, and watch Schitt's Creek.
A big glass of wine.
Yes, big glass. Huge glass.
And so I kind of think about it in a different manner. So I think about it with people who have jobs, and they're like, I want to make more money, so I need to work overtime. Instead of, I have an hourly job, and then I could also have this side hustle, and I can make some more money this way so that in the future, I don't have to worry about, am I making overtime? But got my hustle going, and this is my thing. So most of my life, I have worked in commission sales because I could out hustle and out earn anybody who thought that they could exchange dollars for hours.
Right.
And so that question right there for me is really kind of that: are you really wanting to work your hustle as far as your talent and your gig that you got going? Like, I mean, I know you bust your ass here, but you could also, if you wanted to pick up some like design stuff on the side, you could be like, I got a side hustle going, and I'm going to make an extra 10 grand next year because I'm going to build out this part of it too, and have a little side hustle going too, and not have to worry about, where am I at on income, whatever. You could just create your own additional stuff. So that's kind of where I'm at on hustle versus overtime. If I can be in charge of my own money, bam, all day, bam. And then this one, we kind of, you can't see her, but she's standing off camera right now. And so Amy and I feel the same way about this. So if you could have a personal assistant or a personal chef?
Definitely a chef. I can cook, so keep that in mind. I just don't like cooking. I don't like cleaning up. So if somebody could do those things and I give them a menu of what me and my daughter want to eat every night, I would be so thrilled and happy. Like, come home from work, dinner's done, kitchen's clean, I'm sold.
See, I would be confused as to what I was supposed to do. Like, I get home, and if stuff was done, I was like, I would like, first of all, I would like, as soon as I come home, I just go in the kitchen and I start cooking dinner. Like, even if I haven't even thought about what I'm having for dinner, I'm opening the refrigerator and going, oh, look, I can make like something wonderful out of this big crap load of mess that's in my refrigerator. I'm like, this is fun. Let's do this thing. And it's so fun because Brian's always just like there's nothing in there. And I'm like, oh, there's something in there. You wait till I show you what I pull out of this big old silver box. But so for me, a personal assistant, because the things that like I need done are the things I don't like to do, like, oh, this sounds stupid, clipping my dog's toenails. Like, it's in my list of 300 to have somebody who takes my dogs to the vet and makes sure every week that their toenails are clipped, because my wiener dog will hold one paw down while he chews his fingernails to let me know that it's time. And I'm like, dude, that dog is chewing his damn nails again. Come here, I'll clip your damn nails. I'm like, I'm the only one that can clip the dog's nails apparently. But stuff like that, and just like, my car needs to be full of gas, and it needs to be vacuumed, and it needs to be washed, and I think a personal assistant would do a great job at that. or at literally filling my calendar with the people who just want to interrupt my day every day and just jump into my world and go, just call me. I would just hand them my phone and make her talk to them or him talk to them and put them on my schedule somewhere. That would be, and because to me cooking is therapeutic, and I don't mind it because Brian cleans everything.
Oh, well,
I don't clean
I'm
up.
jealous.
So that's probably our short little snippet of this or that episode this week. And if you have some things that you would like to discuss, you would like us to discuss for you and give you our opinions on them, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to this channel, wherever it's at, if this is on YouTube. If it's on Facebook, click a like or something. And we'll see you next week with another version of this or that.
Bye.